So what you're going to need to make this DIY is you're going to need to go to the Dollar Tree and purchase some of these magnetic tins. They come two to a pack, and the Dollar Tree that I bought these at were very plentiful. They had a whole lot, so they should be fairly easy to find. And you do want to look at them because there was some that was kind of damaged, so just make sure you're getting some good ones. But you are going to need 12 of these. Then you'll want to have some washi tape or some paper, any kind of materials that you might want to use to decorate your tins. Also, you will want to have some stickers of various kinds, and then any kind of goodies that you want to put into your advent calendar tins. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my washi tape and I'm going to go around the outside of these tins, and of course you can use anything you want to. I just think that the washi tape would probably be the most easy thing to do, and I find it's a lot easier when you're putting your tape on here is to roll you out some and just kind of steady it with your other fingers and just lay it where it's just right on the edge a little ways down, and then start to place it down and then start wrapping it around, because if you do it that way it's just a lot easier to get it where you want it to on the edge. So now that I have my tins decorated with the washi tape and the Mod Podge has dried, I am going to decorate the lids on these. And the purpose of this is to cover this so that they are not see-through. That way each day is a surprise. So what I have done, I've got a cutting tool here and I just kind of measured it, and I am cutting circles out so that I could put it on here. And I decided that you can cover the whole entire top, but I just wanted to cover the clear plate part only. So I was able to measure it where I could get my circles cut to that that size. And if you don't have a cutting tool, you know, you could just trace something like a toilet paper roll. The end of that should be fine, and trim that down. It doesn't matter if it hangs over a little bit. So what I did was I just took scrap papers and I put just the colors in my washi tape is green, white, and red. That is what I wanted to go with. And so I just did a couple different shades of the green and a couple different shades of the red. And then I also have some white. So anyway, I'm just going to cut these out until I get all the circles. So I do want to have 24 of those. And so that's how I'm doing that. I had went to Target Dollar Spot last year and was able to purchase these little number stickers here. And at the time I wasn't sure what I was going to use them for, but I'm so glad that I got them because they're perfect for this advent calendar. Now if you don't have something like this, if you've got like a round hole or circle punch, you can certainly punch, you know, the little circle punch out of different types of paper, and you can either handwrite your numbers or you can use number stickers, however you want to do it. You know, this is very versatile. This is just how I choose to do mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking the lid to this and I'm putting a glue dot on the back, and I've got these at the Dollar Tree, but you can purchase these anywhere. So I'm just going to put this on the back of this one and pull that off. And then I'm just going to turn it around and put it right in the center here. And then I'm going to put one of my stickers on here. And these already have the adhesive on the back of it, and so I'm just sticking it right here. And I'm not going to decorate this any more than I already have, because, you know, I want it to be simple. But anyway, so after I get that decorated, I'm just going to put the lid on this, and then it's ready to fill up and put on my refrigerator. it's just time for me to put the little goodies that I have in here. And I haven't finished getting all the things that I want to put into these little tins. So I will be going back to the store and buying some other things. My goal was not to make this expensive because, you know, they are getting Christmas gifts, and I've got 2 girls, so I am going to put in 2 little treats in each one of these. But you know, you could put anything you want to in these little tins. If you have, the tins are not big enough for one of the items that you want to put in here, you can always put a little coupon on a piece of paper and put it inside of it, and then that way they can go to you to cash it in. And that is something similar that I did do. If you notice that some of the little tins that I had placed a little sticker in the bottom of them, and I only did 4 of them that way. And so when they get to a tin that has one of these little stickers in the bottom, then they can come to me to get a prize that's a little bit better than a piece of candy, but still with under $5. So I haven't yet decided what I wanted to do. It might be a Starbucks, you know, coffee or something like that, but I'm not really sure yet. I haven't decided, but that's some other alternative you can do. You can also do some really cute, you know, Christmas poems or little knock-knock jokes, or things like that. You know, these things, like I said, do not have to be expensive at all to make them very cute. But for right now, I've got 4 days worth of candy, and you know, I'm going to go back and buy other stuff. So, and the goal is to try and do different types of candy so that it doesn't get boring for them.